everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Friends, as you all know that feeding kurtis are hard to find in local shops and online it's too costly. So in this video I am showing you few stylish feeding kurti designs which you can make or get it done by your tailor. So continue watching the video till the end to get some designing ideas to make your personalized kurtis.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.